welcome back to my channel. I know. And I'm gonna just say hello, March. And we already know it's been a while. It's been a while, and I don't got nothing to say. But today's gonna be kind of a productive day. We're still at the gym, you feel me? The summertime is coming, and we're still at the gym now. I guess I'll show you my little gym fit or whatever. We about to go up in here and go to the gym and get this workout in.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You study more and with my heart. Just think we ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you, love. And we know you can tell me how. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Slit your wrist, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart?
Thousands of tears later.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I already know it's been a few days since I last recorded a video. It's been about a couple of days. My phone was tripping and was saying, oh, I didn't have no storage. Now I'm back at it again, but in between that time, let me tell you what your girl did, okay? So in the meantime, your girl got her a Sony camera. Yes, your girl did. Now I don't have any excuses. The content is coming, the consistency is here, you know what I'm saying? I don't have any more excuses. Like the excuses is done. It's done. So we about to go up in here and go to Ross. I still didn't go to Ross, and let me tell y'all, because it be your own kids, let me tell you what my daughter has said to me. She gonna tell me like, oh, you keep shooting all of these videos, you keep taking all these pictures in these same workout clothes. And I'm like, why would she leave me like that? And she kind of do have a point, but when I go to the gym, I just be going to the gym. Like, I'm not really going to the gym to impress anybody and try to look bomb, you know what I'm saying? I could, but I haven't been. So now I'm up here at Ross. I'm about to get me some new workout clothes, so let's get to it.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah.
Definitely working on our, we're definitely working on being consistent. So, I'm definitely gonna post this week. So whatever I have, I'm gonna make this happen. You feel me? But the next one, the next vlog is gonna definitely be right where it needs to be. Like, everything is gonna be on point. We gonna get this camera situation. We gonna get it up, because even my camera died, and it's just like today. I could not be great today, but guess what? It ain't stopping nothing. Go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and drop a comment down below, because I wanna talk to y'all. Like, you feel me? Like, I wanna hear what y'all got to say. Like, what's going on with y'all? Okay, because I'm back, and you know I want y'all to stay around. So I want y'all to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and kick it with your girl, because you already know. Like, when I tell y'all this time is going up, it's going up. Now, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkers, how you did